Alright, let's continue with practice 5, question 1. This is half plus 1/3, right? This is half plus 1/3. So when you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, everything over 1 over something, you just do the sum of the denominator over the product of the denominator. Sum is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And then 2 times 3 is 6. The answer is 6. 5 over 6. The answer should be B. Number 2. Number 2 is 7 times 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 2. In this case, it's really easy. This 7 and both of them have 5. Take out 5. 7 and it's minus 3. 7 minus negative 3. 7 minus negative 3, right? Negative 3 is here. 7 minus negative 3. Minus minus become 10. Minus minus become plus. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 times the common factor of 5 is 50. The answer is 50. Okay, this one is very easy. Square root of 6, square root of 16 plus square root of 9 is 4 plus 3, which is 7. The answer is C. Okay, next one. 2 to the power 3 and 3 cubed. And look at choices here are 6 to the power something. So in this case, if they are same power, you keep the power. So you multiply the number. 2 times 3 is 6 cubed. If they are same base, keep the base. Same power, keep the power. So 6 cubed is 8. Number 5, scientific notations. So they want to find for scientific notation. You have to count how many zeros here. You have 5 zeros, and 387 goes to 3.87. One decimal place. No, the decimal place is with 1 digit, right? After 1 digit cannot be 2. So 1 digit. So it's 387 becomes 3.87. You have 2 more zeros. You need to times 100. So 20 plus 50 here, you have to have 70, which is 10 to the 7 power. The answer is B. And this one is divide. Okay, divide. So negative and negative is positive. Positive divided by negative is negative. The answer is negative. So divide, you can cancel them first. So 12 times 2 is 24. So deal with the sign first, then deal with the numbers. Next one. Okay, bar 3, 0.3 bar, which means 1 over 3. 0.6 bar is 2 over 3, which is 3 over 9 and 6 over 9. You simplify it. So you got 2 over 9 in this case. 2 over 9 is 0.2 bar. B. Alright, let's continue with question 8. So n granola bars cost 84 cents. So number of bars and the number of cents. And 84. They're asking for 21. How much? So which is X. So you notice that this is in cents. Right, so in this case, you see if the number of bars go up, so you just have to cover this, and the price goes up too. So this direct proportion, and you need to do cross multiply. And you notice that nx equal to 21 times 84 in cents. Alright? So you look at choices here, they have a 17.64 and 17.64. So it's obviously this is multiplied together is 1764. But in dollar sign you have 2 decimal places. So x equal to divided by n. So the answer should be C in this case. Alright? Number 9. Number 9, when you divide, so you have to change to multiply. You got a number here. Divide by 2 here. You got 3 divided by 2, you got 10. So it's 50 over 9. This is A. The next one, you can add them up and divide by 7, or you divide by 7 first, one each of them, then add them up. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 56 divided by 7 is 8. So it's 11. Number 11, the sum of 2 odd numbers. 2 odd numbers add up together is always even. The number of prime less than 12. Number of how many prime numbers less than 12? So it's from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So it's 5 of them. Which of the following is divisible by 6 but not by 9? So divided by 6 is not by 9. So it's very simple. So 6, you have 2 times 3. 9 is 3 times 3. Okay, so you have 1 3 on this part, in this part. So you have 3 cube, so it's out. 1 3, 1 2. You must have a 2 to do in order to divide 6. 3 times 3 is 6. So this is working. So answer is B. This one is not work because it's 3 only. You don't have a 2 as a factors. Okay. So number 14. How many integers are there from 17 to 111, including 17 to and 111? So it's very easy. You just minus n plus 1. So technically you take 111 minus 17 plus 1 or minus 16, then you get answer. Now 111 minus 16, you can get 116 minus 16 and then minus 5. Okay, plus plus 5 and minus 5, so you got 100 minus 5, which is 95 here. Okay, so make sense? Alright, next one, number 15. What is the greatest common factor? Greatest common factor is very easy. Factor, you think about factors and multiple. Factors is less than, always less than multiple if you get the answer. So in this case, 7 base, less than, always less. Look at the lowest power, 2 square. Okay, and 3 square, no 3, so you don't need the 3 square there. 5 power 4, 5 cube. 5 cube is smaller. No 7, 7 5. So this is the answer. 2 square times 5 cube. The answer is C. Now another way, when I'm looking for least common multiple, multiple is bigger. So you're looking for the highest power. 2 cube, highest power. 3 square, no 3, so 3 square is highest power. 5 4, no 5 3, 5 4 is highest power. 7 5, no 7, 7 5 is the highest power. So the factor is, the multiple is, LCM is 2 cube times 3 square times 5 4 times 7 5. That's the LCM. GCF looking for the lowest power, LCM looking for the highest power. Number 16. They say this is divisible by 3. The number of different possibilities of cube. How many possible? The number divided by 3, when the sum add up, is divisible by 3. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 7 is 12. So it's 22 plus 1, 23. So you have 23. They find how many. They don't want to find the value. So you can plus 1, plus 4, plus 7 are all multiple of 3. 23 plus 1 is 24, divided by 3. 23 plus 4. So you see that I increased by 3 here. I cannot increase 1 more because increase 3 more is become 10. So only Q can be 1, Q can be 4, and Q can be 7. So only 3 choices. Number 17. The least common multiple of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you solve this, you just have to find out multiple. Highest power 3, 2 and 4. 4 is highest, 2 square and 2. 5, 6, you have 2 and 3, so you already have it. So it's 3 times 4 times 5, so it's 60. Look at the highest power. 1 2, no 2, 2 2, 2 square, right? No 2, 2 times 3, 1 2, so 2 square. 1 3, 1 3, so it's 1 3. No 5, 1 5. LCM, remember we're looking for the highest power, so this is the equals 60. How many integers between 1 and 700 are multiple of 7? Oh, this is very easy. So you just need to find out the multiple of 7, just divide by 7. So take 400 divided by 7. 7 5 35, 50, 7 7 49, no more. So it's 57. You don't need to worry about the remainder. Number 19. So 5 7 greater than 8 over n. So you cross multiply. So you can put an n 5n greater than 8 over 7. N 7 over 5. Most of all 7 times 8 is 56 already. So because n go here, 7 go here. So 5n equal to 56. N greater than 11.2, which is 12. Very straightforward. Number 20. If the number n is a 5-digit prime number, which one of the three might be the prime? So if this is prime number for 5 digits, the only even number in prime is 2. So 5 digits definitely is odd number. So if it is odd, if n is odd, if n is odd minus even is odd. This makes sense. They said could be, they didn't say they might be, they didn't say must be. Right? Odd plus odd is even. This is out. Odd times odd. In this case, you don't need to look at this one first. You look at 3. Both of them multiple of 3. So you take the 3 out. You have n plus 6. It's a multiple of 3. So this is out. So the answer is A.